I'm really thankful for the members of the department having invited me to speak something about Ayurveda and its utility. Because I am more interested right from my service. I am a practical man. I've been doing practical research even today. I'm in medical practice even today in spite of my age. So I am a true lover of Ayurveda. Once again, I'm a true follower of Ayurveda, not only lover. It's not simply loving will not be good. You should follow it. That's more important. That's how I have given about 10 to 15 diseases. I'm going to present you how they are Atyeka, how you are going to treat them with Asya Chikitsa. You have got two definite specific terms. Atyeka Vyadhi means simple translation, emergency disease. Asya Chikitsa means emergency medical treatment. Over. It's only for our understanding. It is beyond that, but still for our understanding, I wanted to confine myself only these two simple words. Atyeka Vyadhi, Asya Chikitsa. Then coming to the point right now, I have already told you about Atyeka Vyadhi and Asya Chikitsa. Atyeka Vyadhi indicates Davagnireva Atyekam. You know, Davagni is a forest fire. When one forest catches fire, you cannot stop it. That is how the reference, you see, I am going to give you very powerful quotations, my dear friends. Take it as authentic preparation. They are all highly authentic. You cannot even dream to get these quotations. There is no doubt about it. I am quite competent. I am not only competent, I am confident. That's more important. So, Davagniyo Atyayakam. It is like a forest fire. You cannot stop it. That is how it is Atyayaka Vyadhi. Coming to Chikitsa, Ashu Prashantau Prayatitavyam. Ashu Prashantau, you should immediately get it reduced. Prayatitavyam is an effort. So, you should have such an effort that you should immediately stop the disease. That's more important. So, a disease which is Davagniyo Atyayakam should be managed by Asya Prashantau Prayantitavyam. This is more important. Coming introduction, Atyayaka literally means Nashaha, total destruction. This is a Sanskrit, Telugu to Sanskrit difference. We find a typical difference in Mahatyayaka Vyadhi and also classical diseases. So, Nashaha, total destruction. Atyayaka literally means Nashaha, total destruction. Clinical application of the word Atyayaka in practice. The first classification gives you about Atyekata. Next table gives you about Asya Chikitsa. Coming to Atyeka Vyadhi. Atyeka Vyadhi is destructive and disastrous. I need not once again explain it. It is destructive, disastrous. Atyeka Vyadhi is painful and distressing. Atyeka Vyadhi is difficulty in and it creates calamity. Atyeka Vyadhi is delayed for treatment, already late. So that is how it is Atyeka. Coming to Chikitsa now, urgent treatment is required. Urgent is emergency treatment is required. Extraordinary and special treatment is required. Quite natural. The essential duty of the physician is to attend the case. It is also essential. Finally, ending quickly. Treatment should end quickly. Interesting references about direction of Asya Chikitsa. You come across 3 to 4 statements in Ayurveda saying that about Asya Chikitsa straight away. Coming to first quotation now, Sadhyaha Phalam Kriyam. Your effort should be Sadhyaha Phalam. It should give you immediate relief. That is from Madhava Nidhanam. And my dear friends, you may not be knowing that whatever I say, a simple quotation, it is with reference from the textbook. It's not my statements. That's how you find for every reference, you find the reference in the bracket. That's more important. Coming to Sadhyaha Phalam Kriyam, this is from Madhava Nidhana. Ashu Prashantau from Charaka Nidhana. Chikitset Segram Segrakaranam Ashtanga Hrudayam Nidhana Sthanam. Mahantamapi Vyadim Alpena Kalena Sadhayet. A wonderful quotation. It's a wonderful, wonderful quotation, my dear friends. Quotation goes like this, because Mahantamapi Vyadim Alpena Kalena Sadhayet. This is from Susruta Samhita. Why? Because the man is a more practical gentleman. Susruta is a more practical gentleman. So that's how you can see the reference of, see the potentiality of the reference. Mahantamapi Vyadim Alpena Kalayan Sadhayet. A wonderful quotation from for Asya Chikitsa. You should go through, and how you will be getting it, you will be getting later on. Coming to state-wide diseases, let us not waste our time. Jwara. For Jwara, you got a reference from Susruta Uttarasthanam. Jwaram Roga Aneka Rot. It's the king of very many diseases. Jwaram Roga Aneka Rot. Rot is the king. This is from Susruta Uttarasthanam. Coming to Jwara, the first chapter gives you about Atyekata, second chapter gives you about Asya Chikitsa. First quotation goes like this: Sarva Praninam Pranaharo. It, for all individuals, it takes life. That's how Pranaharo, this is Charaka Nidanasthan. That is how it is emergency disease. Second point, Jaraho Kruro. Kruro is a cruel. This is a cruel disease. Kruro, this is Asangurdam Nidanasthanam. For this type of disease, you have got one more reference about Vishamajara here. Vishamajjaram Ashu Sarvasya Vapashaha Vapashaha Vyaptihi. It immediately spreads throughout the body. That is their observation. That is from Ashtangurdam Nidanasthanam. Coming to Chikitsa now, Pravurdhamapi Jwaram Samayati Tatskhanat Siddham. See how many adjectives you could see in this quotation. Pravurdhamapi Jwaram, even if it is highest temperature, pyrexia of higher nature, Shamayati Tatskhanat, immediately you get it relieved. Siddham, it is true. See, my dear friends, once you read the textbook of Ayurveda, you should pay more attention towards the adjectives they use. That's more important. Adjectives are very important in Ayurvedic science. See, you have got very many adjectives here. Tatskhanat is an adjective, Siddham adjective. So, this is from Gadanigram. Quotation goes like this: Dhanyaka Jalam with Sharkara. Dhanyaka Jalam with Sharkara gives you immediate relief, even if it is hyperpyrexia of 106. I am sure you will be definitely getting relief with this. Dhanyaka Jalam with Sharkara. This is from Gadanigram. Textbook name is Gadanigram. Coming to Vishamajara now. Vishamajjaram Ashu Hanti. It immediately gets relieved. Quotation goes like this: Abhaya Kalkam with Madhu. That is from Gadanigram. Next, Dasharatram Atikrantam Jware Ashu Nivarayet. Even if the disease crossed about 10 days, naturally what we do is, we get 10 days typhoid, we get it off. That will be positive. Generally in, hemograms. If that is the case, Chincha Delihim is the drug of choice in most of the conditions. That is from Sahasra Yogam. It's a wonderful reference. Sarvam Jwaram Harati Ashu. Asyagandha Bala Lakshaya Telam. Asyagandha Bala Lakshaya generally we give in Vataragas. But you see, Sarvam Jwaram Hanti Ashu. That is from Yogaratnagaram. Next, Jwarahare Sparshat Kanjikam. A wonderful quotation, my dear friends. This is from Rasa Samachayam. You know, for hyperpyrexia, we do cold sponging. Generally from our contemporary sciences. There is a reference of cold sponging here. See, Jwarahare Sparshat. Simple sponging with cold sponging with Kanjika sponging, you get your fever relieved. And coming to Kanjikam, I will give you one interesting explanation for Kanjika. Kanjika itself questions. Kanjika itself questions saying that, to whom I should help? Kam Jivayami Aham is Kanjika. Kanjika questions itself saying that, Kam Jivayami Aham. To whom I should help? To whom I should make relieved? That's how the definition of Kanjika goes like this: Kam Jivayami Aham is Kanjikam. So that's how it's a wonderful quotation. So Jwarahare Sparshat, cold sponging reference from Ayurveda with Kanjikam. This is Rasa Samachayam, RRS. Viruddha Bheshaj Bhavajvaram Asvayapavati. See, this is from Vaishya Ratnavali. What do you mean Viruddha Bheshaj Bhavam? It is drug-induced fever or idiopathic fever. Jwaram caused by a physician. Natural. Viruddha Bheshaj Bhavam Jwaram Asvayapavati. It immediately relieves. Quotation is Sudarshan Churnam from Vaishya Ratnavali. Coming to Atisara. Atisaram Yadhim Ghoram. Agreed. That I need not once again explain you. That is from Susrutotrasthanam. Atisaram Yadhim Ghoram. Next, Visheshena Naram Vruddham Atisaro Vinased. Atisara having more influence on old age. Vruddham Atisaro Vinased. Old age generally, once they get Atisara, they die out of dehydration, something like that. So in that way, there is a direction from our science saying that Atisara will simply make you to die. That is from Susrutrasthanam. Next quotation, Sasram Sasule Atisare. Atisare, particularly in Atisara, you get Astram, Raktam, Raktatisaram, Sasule, Sulam. So Raktatisaram with Adsula is once again Atyeka Vyadhi. Then coming to treatment now, a wonderful quotation from Chakradatta. Nadi Vegopamam Ghore Atisaram Nirodhayet. See how was their application, please tell me. The supreme observation. The quotation goes like this. Nadi Vegopamam, even if it is passing motion as Nadi. Ghore. Once again, Atisaram Nirodhayet. You can practically stop it. This I have tried in my PG department. I was successful. This I have tried in my PG department. There is a gentleman by name, I don't remember his name. It was tried somewhere about 15-20 years back in my department, PG department. It was tried, proved to be successful. Quotation treatment is Amalaki Kalka Alavalam over Nabhi, Ardarka Swarasa Puranam. I need not explain once again. Amalaki Kalkam Alavalam, since you go for Kativasti for Masha Alavalam, Masha Pisti Alavalam, like that, you have an Alavalam with Amalaki Kalkam over Nabhi, then fill it with Ardarka Swarasam, wait for about half an hour. Next 45 minutes, no Atisaram, nothing. Proved. You can practical, you need not go for any drips. So this is from Chakradatta, a wonderful quotation. One more quotation. Atisaram Sudaranam Hanti. Even if it is highly dangerous, it definitely gets relieved. Quotation, simple Lakshmi Vilas Rasam. Nobody knows about Lakshmi Vilas Rasam. It's a wonderful drug in Atisara. What would do? Lakshmi Vilas Ras, Sardi mein jao, Khansi mein do, Subhay dev, Syam mein dev, aisa nahi hai. But this is a wonderful quotation. Atisaram, Lakshmi Vilas Rasam, Atisaram Sudaranam Hanti. Once again, Su adjective. Dharanam once again. So Hanti, once wonderful. This is from Rasa Chintamani. Wonderful quotation. Once again, Atisaram Jayet Asu Sahasram Sasule. Sahasram Sasule I have already given here. Sahasram Sasule I have again there. Once again, Brungaraja Panchanga Kalkam, a wonderful drug of choice for Vangasena. Atisaram Jayet Asu Sahasram, mostly in most of the Atisaram with blood. Generally speaking, what we colitis, we find this particular condition. Coming to Visuchika. Visheshena Maranam Sucheti is Visuchika. Definition goes like this. Visheshena Maranam Sucheti is Visuchika. Simple Suchika is in direction, V in adjective. So with simple directions, adjectives, the disease is coined, Visuchika. So Visheshena Maranam Sucheti is Visuchika. Vishuchi Nasanam Sreshto Pippali Churnam Balasya Mutrena Pakvam. It's a typical application. Balasya Mutram, a child's urine. You should prepare Pippali Churnam with a child's urine and then give it to the patient. Who is supposed to be a child? Who is supposed to be a bala? In textbooks 1 to 3, first year to third year, he is supposed to be a bala. Medically, not literally. Medically, 1 to 3 years boy, it's a balasya, it's not balikasya. Definitely male boy. I don't know. Of course, how they could come to a conclusion, it's really, there's a great observation by them. So, balasya mutrena pakvam, Pippali churnam, Visuchi nasanam sreshto. There's a supreme drug of choice to be tried in Visuchika. That's more important. Coming to Arses. Rakta Arses, Bala Utsaha Hinam, Hatha Ojas. See, when once Ojas is gone, everything is gone. Quotation goes like this. I'll tell you that quotation later on. Hatha Ojas is supposed to be in Rakta Arses. Definitely. Yannasho Neitam Nasho Yasmin Tishtati Tishtati. Yannasho Neitam Nasho Yasmin Tishtati Tishtati is once again about Ojas. So Ojas, when once Ojas is gone, Prana is gone. So that way, Raktasas is once again Atyeka Vyadhi. And once again here, Arshamsi Dukkani Bhavyadi Karani. Arshamsi, Arsas creates you Dukkam and it creates so many Vyadhis. That's how Arshamsi Dukkani Bhavyadhini. This is from Madhanidhanam. coming to treatment now, Hanti Ashu Asra Samsravam. Bleeding, simply bleeding piles. Hanti Asu, immediately you can treat. Asra Samsravam, Prishnipanni Moolam with Balamoola Payam. This is from Charaka Chikitsa Sthanam. You can treat, but the thing is, unless it is surgical, as long as it is possible for medical treatment, you can go for this. You have got your own limitations for surgery, surgical involvement or medical involvement. That you should be in a position to identify. That's more important. Next point, Arshamsi Dukkani Bhavyadi Karani. That of course. Arshamsi Nasayet Sigram. This is from Sarangandhar Samhita. Pipalyasam. What we do is Pipalyasam we give only for Vatavyadis and Agni Karakam. In this way here, Pipalyasam is a drug of choice in Harshamsi Nasayet Sigram. That is from Sarangandhar Samhita. It's a wonderful drug of choice. Coming to Pandu. Karoti Asu Balanasanam. Karoti Asu Balanasanam. That you can simply understand that quotation. Next point, Virya Ojasam Hatvam. Even in Pandu, Ojas is disturbed. So when Ojas is disturbed, over everything is disturbed. So in that way, that is Atyayakam. Coming to Chikitsa now, Panduvamayam Hanti Acharena Ghoram. It's a wonderful drug. Panduvamayam Hanti Acharena Ghoram. You have got three adjectives. First adjective, Hanti. Second is Acharena. Third is Ghoram. So a Pandu Vyadhi, which is totally incurable, that you can practically make it curable here, saying that St. Madhu Kashayam or Churnam with Madhu. There is a quotation from Vaishya Ratnavali, St. Madhu Madhuna Lidium Panduvamayam Hanti. This I have tried in my PG department for Pandu, for MD degree. St. Madhu Madhuna Lidium Panduvamayam Hanti. Simple St. Madhu with Madhu Panduvamayam Hanti. Hanti, no doubt about it. So it's a wonderful drug, very cheap drug, very essential drug. You can practically try this. So Panduvamayam Hanti, this is Acharena Ghoram. We got one more reference from Vaishya Ratnavali. St. Madhu Madhuna Churnam, St. Madhu Madhuna Lidium Panduvamayam Hanti. There is one more quotation. Okay. Coming to Kamala now. Kshipram hi Kamalavan Nipajjate. Kshipram hi Kamalavan Nipajjate. The fellow dies immediately when once it goes to the level of higher levels. That is from Charaka Chikitsa. That is how it is Achayak Vyadhi. Coming to treatment now. Sajjaha Apaharati Kamalam. This is once again adjective. Sajjaha Apaharati. It really immediately relieves Kamala. Kumari Swarasas Nasyam. Simple Kumari Swarasas Nasyam will do wonders in Kamala. That is from Bhava Prakasha. The other time I was telling you, Pandurogi Sada Sevyam Sagudacha Haritaki. That is about Pandu. I was missing that quotation. Okay. Coming to Kasa now. Kshaija Kasa Prakshina Mamso. You get Mamsam diminished. Pranakshayam. Ultimately it takes life. This is from Uttarasthanam, Susrutam. Chikitsa Asu Hanyat Asesha Kasam. Quotation Vrusha Ghrutam with Makshikam. This is from Sahasra Yogam. It's a wonderful quotation. There is one quotation about Kasa here. You heard about Simunath Gugulu? Simunath Gugulu is a drug of choice in Ahamatam. Everybody knows it. But as far as Simunath is concerned, tomorrow I am going to present that paper once again. Since the topic has come, I wanted to give you right now one information here saying that Simunath Gugulu Swasam Durjayam Hanti. Simunath Gugulu Swasam Durjayam Hanti. Kasam Panchavedam Tada. What else you require? With simple Simunath Gugulu, you can do wonders, my dear friends. Simunath Gugulu is a drug of choice in Kasa and Swasa. Most even in cortisone resistant Kasas. Cortisone resistant Swasas. Drug of choice. Swasam Durjayam Hanti. Durjayam is once again adjective. Kasam Panchavedam Tada. All the 5 Panchaveda Kasas can be reduced with simple Simunath Gugulu, which is totally used in Ahamatam. That is the beauty of Ayurveda. That is how, when once you see the qualities of a Dravyam, Bhavukalpam, Bhavugunam, Sampannam, Yogyam Aushadam. This is Bhavugunam. Application of Bhavugunam at drug level, application of Bhavugunam at treatment level. This is the more important quotation that you should be in a position to identify. That's more important. Okay, coming to Hikka. Hinatti Ashu Niti Hikka. Definition goes like this. The name of Hikka itself gives you a clue that Hinatti Ashun pranan. Then it is atyekam. Next, harati pranam asu. It takes your life immediately. Then, to treat this hikka, this is a wonderful drug. Sadyo hikkam niyachati. Kapitha, most of the cases when once a patient gets hikka, they go straight away to endocrinologist, gastroenterologist. But what they do, of course, in my day-to-day practice, they give their own medicine. Of course, we don't have any, exercise from them. We don't have any information from them. But anyhow, in spite of giving medicine from their side, generally they don't get any relief at all. Then once you start this medicine, my dear friends, a fraction of seconds you will get relieved. Kapitha phala rasam with peppery churnam. The thing is how to keep up with the kapitha phala rasam for many years. How can you dispense? Then you take kapitha phala rasam for about 10 to 15 days. You can keep it. Later on, you can try. At least we have been trying about. We can keep kapitha phala rasam for about 10 to 15 days. Later on, you have to try with some other latest kapitha phala rasam with peppery churnam and madhu. This works wonderfully. You can practically try for that. This is swasascha hikkacha harataha pranam asu. So swasa, hikka, they take your life. That is how swasa is also supposed to be atyekavadi and hikka is also supposed to be atyekavadi. When these two things are added, it takes your total life. Then hikka can be tried at this level with this medicine. Tamaka swasa. To identify tamaka swasa, there is a quotation, of course, yesterday my friend Mr. Nasimurthy was telling, Asine labate sokhyam ustan chaiva vinandati. It's a simple diagnostic point. You need not go for, eosinophilic levels, something like that. No. Asine labate sokhyam ustan chaiva vinandati is a direct quotation to identify tamaka swasa. Now coming to tamaka swasa here, prana pradipakam. It takes your life once again. This is our Madhu Nidanam. Coming to treatment, Sigram Samayati Swasam Sudaranam. Sigram adjective, Sudaranam adjective. So in that way, Kushmanda Churnam with Sukshma, with Sukhoshna Jalam. This is from Bhava a wonderful quotation. Coming to second quotation, Swasa Kasadikam Vyadhim Tachkanat Nasayet Iyam Aushadam. This medicine, Swasa Kasadikam Vyadhim. Your tamaka swasa, even with swasa, tachkanat nasayati. That gives you immediate relief. They are all, once you read the quotation, you will get yourself astonished. You will get yourself stimulated. That's how this quotation. Please see this quotation. Swasa kasadikam vyadhim tachkanat nasayet iyam aushadam. So quotation Saptamrita Lote. Saptamrita Vati generally when we give it only in Netra Vyadhis. Saptamrita Vati. This is a wonderful drug. Saptamrita Vati. Vipitaka pramanena ekaikam bhakshayet pradaha. The thing is, here you can find dose of the drug, time to be taken. See how they could observe those particular points in their old days. Coming to see the quotation here. Vipitaka pramanam. That is about dosage. Ekaikam dosage schedule. Bhakshayet prataha. When it should be taken in the morning hours. Vipitaka pramanam. Ekaikam, only one to be taken. This is their observation. We should simply salute for their observation. This is from RRS, Rasa Samachayam. Saptamrita Vati, Vipetaka Pramanena, Ekaikam, Bhakshayet, Prataha, only in the morning hours you should take it. Coming to Murcha. Naraha Patati Kastavat. The fellow falls down as a, this one. So in that way, Naraha Patati Kastavat, this is from Madhu Nidana. Medicine is Murcha Harati Asu. Quotation Chandrakala Rasam. Chandrakala Rasam, what we give when we give only as a hemostatic. Generally in our Rakta Pradhara cases we give Chandrakala Rasam. But Chandrakala Rasam is drug of choice in Murcha. You can just make it powder and then have it with honey. It's a wonderful drug. Murcha Harati Asu. This is from Vaishya Ratnavali. So this is from Basavarajiam. B-A-R-A-J. This is Basavarajiam. Murcha Harati Asu. Drug of choice in Murcha Chandrakala Rasam. Apasmaram. Apasmara Gado Ghoram. Apasmaram itself is Ghoram. Naturally, it's Achekvadi in that sense. Apasmaram Hanti Segram. Definition once again goes like this. Maricham with Agastya Patra Swarasam and Gomutam. This is from Haritha Samhita. Haritha Samhita is a very good textbook for clinical applications. Most of the times, Ayurvedic physicians, they don't see this book because either it's not available or something like that, but still when once you go through the textbook, you find wonderful quotations like this, especially apasmaram hanta segram maricham with agastya patra swarasam with gomutram, this Hari Samhita. Nasye shastam, for apasmaram, nasyam is a very good drug of, very good source to treat. Nasya is better for apasmaram. Vataraktam. Sankocho angagraha atiruk. This is the quality of the patient. Sankocham, deformities. Angagrahat atiruk. Atiruk is a painful condition. This is from Madhanidhanam. Vataraktam jayati ashu. Immediately you get relief of pain. You got wonderful condition. When once you start this medicine, fraction of days you will be getting relief with pain, as far as pain is concerned. Vataraktam jayati ashu. Tridoshamapi. Tridoshamapi adjective, Sudharanam, one more adjective. So in that way, Tridoshamapi Vyadhim, Vataraktam Jayati Ashu. Quotation, Ashwadhata Kshayam with Madhu. This is from Charaka Chikitsasthana. Amavatam. Atidarunaha Sadese Rujyate Atyardham Vrishchikaya Vrishchika Vidhayava. Vrishchika Vidhayava, pain. Atidarunam Sadese Rujyate. That is about the condition of pain. That, of course, I need not explain once again. Drug of choice here is Amavatam Nihanti Ashu. Saubhagya Sunti. Generally, Saubhagya Sunti is given for peripheral fevers and other post-delivery conditions. Generally, everybody gives this. But especially, my dear friends, when once you get a patient of Amavata, don't miss in trying this medicine. Saubhagya Sunti. It's a wonderful drug. It gives you relief a fraction of 1 or 2, maximum 1 or 2 days. It gets relieved. Amavatam Nihanti Ashu. Saubhagya Sunti, drug of choice in Amavatam. This is from Bhaishya Ratnavali. Once again, Pidam Prasamam Yanti Vegataha. Prasamam, adjective. Yanti, it's a verb once again. Vegataha, adjective. Gunja Lepam. This can be easily tried, my dear friends, in your private practice. Take Gunja and then Kalkam. You apply over the pain. Second day, he will be coming with laughing face. Sir, I got relieved. This is a wonderful remedy. Gunja Lepam is a drug of choice in Amavata for external application. That can be tried. This is from Sarangadhara Samhita. Coming to Parinam Sula. Sulam Mahagadam. That you know very well. This is from Madhanidhanam. Kshipram Sulam Kshapayati. Kshipram Sulam Kshapayati. It gives you immediate relief. Nunanam for human beings. Tivara Pida Sametam. Even if it is with acute pain, Parinam Sula, it can be successfully managed with Tamrastakam. Tamrastakam, this is from Rasas Samuchayam. But you know the difference between Parinam Sula and Anadra Sula. So you should confine yourself only to Parinam Sula. This is not effective in Anadra Sula. This is only during Parinam Sula. More important, you should take into consideration that point. That's more important. Anidra. This has become a common factor. This is a common condition in day-to-day practice. Patient will come to you, he will say, Dr. Sahab, neend nahi aa rahe. There will be many reasons for neend nahi aa rahe. But still you should be in a position to identify the condition. Once you identify the condition, it's very important, very easy for you to give you medicine. So, wonderful quotations like this. Ahara Sena Brahmacharyahi Shariram Dharayet. The whole body is being maintained only by Upastambhas. 3 Upastambhas. You know well. Aharam, Brahmacharya, Senam, and Nidra. Ahara, Nidra, Brahmacharyam. They are all 3 Upastambhas that we followed. Unless they are followed, you cannot maintain good health. That's how Shariram Dharayate. The whole body is being maintained only by these 3 Upastambhas. That is about when once it is affected, your health is affected. In that way, I have taken it as Acha condition here. Coming to second point, Jivitam Nacha. There is no life. When once these 3 things are not practiced, there is no life at all. In that way, without Nidra, there is no life. Then what do you mean by Nidra? how to practice nidra, how to get nidra. Generally, nidra ratim dadati nidra. So you are supposed to go for nidra only during nights but not during daytime. Ratim dadati sukham iti nidra. Ratim, that is nights. The word ratim, from rati only it has come ratri. Ratim sukham dadati iti nidra. In that particular nidra, you are supposed to have nidra only during nights, but not during daytime. So when once you don't get nidra during nights, there is a wonderful remedy here. Anidram nasayati asu. Swarnamakshika Bhasma. Wonderful remedy. You have about 500 mg of Swarnamakshikam during nights before going to bed. Wait about half an hour. The next 45 minutes, the fellow gets nidra. There is no doubt about it. Swarnamakshika Bhasmam. Anidram nasayati asu. You get immediate nidra with this medicine. That is from Rastarangini, RT. One more quotation. Sigram nidra karo nunam. Sigram nidra karo nunam. Punanava Kautam. Punanava Kautam about 30 ml before going to bed. Wait for about half an hour. This is from Harith Samhita. You will definitely get sleep. There is no doubt about it. That way, Sigram nidra karo nunam. This is Punanava Kautam, about 30 ml during bedtime. That is from Harith Samhita. Rakta Pradaram. Raktam Jivanam. You know very well. Prendinam Jivanam Leha Sneho Dharana Purnai Saptadhatu Kruchas. Second dhatu is Raktam. Rakta Krucham is Jivanam. That is how Raktam Jivanam. That is the physiological function of Rakta. Dehasya Rudhiram Moolam. For the whole body, Rudhiram is Moolam. Rudhiram is Moolam. Without Rudhiram, no body functions are maintained. In that way, when once Rudhiram is affected, your body is affected. Body is affected, that becomes once again Acheka. In that condition, Rakta Pradaram Ghoram Haret Asu. Rakta Pradaram Ghoram Haret Asu. This will be highly useful for gynecologists of Ayurveda. Rakta Pradaram Ghoram Haret Asuhi. Quotation Nagabhasma with Nagakesara Churnam. This you can keep it in your clinics. Nagabhasma with Nagakesara. You can give for about 10 to 15 days for continuous relief. Third dose, you will be getting relief with this. Quotation Nagabhasma with Nagakesara. You can keep it as it is ready in the clinic. Before concluding this, what I personally say is, you need not worry about Acheka Vadis once you come across in day-to-day practice. Don't get yourself confused. Don't try to make the gentleman to have an ambulance and then make the fellow to rush up. No. You have a trial and have a confidence over your own medicine. Then you can definitely do something better. You may not totally be successful, but it will be definitely useful for the patient to maintain his life as far as these things are properly planned. Coming to Eranda Taila, generally what we do is, Eranda Taila we give only for Amvatam. But Eranda Taila is once again a potential rasayanam. Quotation goes like this. Eranda Taila samam sramsamanam anyat rasayanam nasti. There is no rasayanam equal to Eranda Tailam. This is from Kasapa Samhita. Life cycle goes like this. First sramsamanam. This is ahara that can be taken. Later on it gives you arogakaram. Then it gives aroga to the sishu. Then garbhani paricharya, you can go for rasayanam straight away. Swastha and then when once these conditions are followed, no achekata gives you once again arogam. Arogam is without rogam. Finally, roga apaharanam. Your Eranda Tailam is roga apaharanam. Roga apaharanam includes most of the diseases, including your Amvatam. So Amvatam can be successfully treated by Eranda Taila along with its quality as rasayana. So in that way, if you get any case in your day-to-day practice, don't get yourself confused and try to give some medicines and have confidence over this science. Then you can do wonders. I am sure that you will be getting definite relief with all these things. As far as medical palmistry is concerned, tomorrow I am going to give you very good tips for you on medical palmistry, most of the diseases. And I am really thankful for giving me this opportunity. Thank you once again.